Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a skincare routine. Now these products are by Clean & Clear and I've been using these since I was a teenager. They've really helped to clear up my skin back in the day and they're very affordable. I got all three on sale in Sainsbury's for just under £10. Now I'm starting off with a face steam to open up my pores, and then I'm going in with the daily exfoliating wash. So this is meant to give you clearer skin and smoother skin from day one. It's meant to have natural exfoliators to unblock the pores and help prevent spots. And this is an oil-free formula. This product is 150 milliliters. And it smells very fruity. That's the word that I would use to describe it. So I'm just going in with my face brush to just give myself a really good cleanse. And I do cleanse my skin twice, once on camera and once off camera. I would definitely recommend you getting yourself some type of face steamer because it feels so luxurious on your face as you're washing your face. It gives you that spa day feeling in the comfort and privacy of your home. Next, I'm going in with the deep cleansing sensitive lotion, and you can use this daily. It's meant to cleanse the skin effectively to help prevent spots. Again, an oil-free formula, and it has salicylic acid. Now this acid is meant to be anti-inflammatory and also antifungal, so you can really use this to deep cleanse and to even like give yourself a little refresh throughout the day or when you get home from work. Next, I'm going in with the Daily Dual Action Moisturizer. It moisturizes and helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes. It also has salicylic acid. It's 100 milliliters and it's oil free. And all the products have a really light smell. They don't smell too heavy, too strong, too much perfume. So this is why I like these products, and they work and they're affordable. Next, I'm going in with this Tropical Zest Vaseline lip therapy to make sure that my lips are nice and beautiful and smooth. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.